My name is Tyrone Mumbles and welcome to Captiva Spirits Craft Cocktails. Today we're going to be sharing with you how to make our Key Lime Mule. You're going to need a few ingredients and they are ginger syrup, lime juice, Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka, ginger beer, you're going to need a shaker, and a cup of mule cup. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take our shaker and fill it with ice. It's a chill drink and you want it to be nice, cool, and refreshing. Then we're going to take 1/4 ounce or a quarter shot of ginger syrup. Add that to our shaker. We're going to take a 1/2 ounce of lime juice or a 1/2 shot of lime juice. Add that to our shaker. We're going to take 2 ounces of Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka. Remember, the raw honey does settle in the bottom, so you're going to need to shake that a couple times. And then we're going to add 2 ounces of Captiva Spirits Key Lime Honey Vodka. There we go. Secure that top. We're going to shake that approximately 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to grab our copper cup, fill that up with ice. We're going to take the contents of our shaker, pour that in the glass, in the copper cup, and then we're going to top it off with our ginger beer. Today we're using Fever Tree, but we'll use whatever brand that you like. There are many out there on the market, all very refreshing. Add your copper straw, stir,